this path to flare out just a little bit on the end here. So I've taken this string and doubled it over like this, the Sharpie here like this, and tighten this up like this. And I just took the Sharpie and drew this on here like this.
Are we on the home stretch?
Yeah, pretty much.
You got enough blocks?
Yeah, I think so. What do you think of that?
I wouldn't do it at all.
Why not?
It's going to look fantastic, and that won't be it.
You don't like it?
No, I think it's fine. It's the detail that you'll engage, and then you'll hack it, and then you won't be happy, and then there you'll be.
Probably. I don't know, I'm gonna try it. If it doesn't work out, I'm only out a few bricks right there. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna go with. I am gonna make this into a curve, but that guy that just was here, he said, oh, you're gonna botch it. I wouldn't do that, period. He could be right. I might botch it. So there definitely is gonna be a big opportunity for me to botch this, so hopefully that does not happen, but I'm just gonna cut this with the jigsaw, cut this little piece of this pie out. So there it is, that's what I'm going with, and that's gonna be my curve for both sides. Hopefully it's decent and okay. So that piece is gonna suck right there. Need to put a full brick there. This piece needs to come out. This piece needs to come out. Put this here like this. That should do that. Get this crap out of here. Now, brown cow. So I need all these bricks to line up with the string. That is exactly what I want right there. I'll need to add some sand just along this edge right here. It's a little bit bigger than I would want it to be, but that's okay. So these ones need to be cut right here. Just like that. Sweet. Okay, so this side needs to be the same. So that's going to be acceptable like that. I'm going to cut that right there. All right, so here we go. Let's try this out. So there we go. So that side's good. Just need to cut the other side. Hope I didn't botch this thing. Very well could have. It's not the easiest thing to do, make those cuts with this saw.
Is that ever looking good?
Oh, thank you.
Every night it looks better. Is this the supervisor?
Heck yeah.
Giving him time and a half or double time.
Oh, he's getting his special favors. Honey, we're like, ha ha ha.
No.
Oh, thank you so much. That's pretty much just what went down.
What?
You and I were in, I was just having a discussion, and you turned it into a fight.
And then what?
And then people were like, oh, and we're like, oh, thank you. All nice, like, shut up, little brat. Hello. Just like everybody makes fun of their mom for doing. Oh, better every night.
Saturday morning, and I'm coming down to the home stretch of laying the bricks right here. Hopefully today is my last day doing this. Just completed this portion over here of this kind of curve or this flare. So I need this side to look like this over here, and then once that's done, put in the polymeric sand. Go for it. That is gonna go right there. That. I'm going to finish cutting this piece right here over on the lawn here. Just like that. It should fit in there like that. And I should be able to fit all these bricks in here. So now I just need to cut through here. I think this is the last piece that I have to put in right here. That is what I need, how I need to cut it. Just a slight hair smaller than this. I'm discarding this piece here. That could be the last piece I need to put in. I guess we're gonna see right now. I need to go in there like that. And it fits, so it's gonna ship. All right, so I am done with laying the bricks. That took a long time, 2 or 3 weeks for me to do, running out of bricks and just figuring everything out. Looks decent. I'm happy with the result. I've got it all cleaned up. And so this is how this thing turned out, like that. So I'm going to use the blower now to blow off all the surface dust, and then I will get out the compactor and compact it down. So I have just a couple of stones that are cracked, chipped, or cut, and I have extra bricks, so I'm going to take these out of here, put new ones in. That one's bad. The bad one right here. So I've got about 4 or 5 bricks that were bad or chipped. There's no sense in leaving those when I've got extra ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 or 6 of them. Okay, so I've got the compactor here. I'm going to run over these pavers dry to kind of work up the sand into the joints. And then once I've gone over it once or twice, I'm going to put the polymeric sand down and then go over it, and that should do it. So, and then water it in. So let's go for it. All right, so I just finished compacting the pavers down, kind of bringing the sand up, and I have several places where the pavers chipped on the corners, quite a few actually, and that's pretty annoying. I'm hoping that the polymeric sand will just kind of fill that in, and I'm sure it will, but it's really quite frustrating. This is a really low spot right here, and there is tons of water down under the pavers in this section right here. You can see that the water there pretty evident. So I'm not sure if I should wait to put the polymeric sand down for a day or two to let this dry out. I probably should wait. I was going to do it today. I'm sure I can do the polymeric sand in this whole section and down the walkway because I didn't see any water, but I don't know. Let's see, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock, so yeah, it's time to go. I think I'm gonna do the polymeric sand tomorrow or Monday, being Labor Day. Let that dry out for just another day or so, today and tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But everything is smooth. Compacting that down kind of made everything all the same elevation and height. All the high spots and low spots are down. When I run my foot across here, it feels like it is smooth. So what a beaut. So that's what it looks like right now. He's almost done. Just have to put the sand down, compact it in, water it in, done. Not on here yet. So that's going to do it. I am not going to put this polymeric sand down today. I know I really want to, and it sucks not being able to put it down, but I just can't do it because that portion is wet, and I've been told several times, do not put this polymeric sand down if you have wet joints, so it's just going to set up. So I think it's worth the wait, so I'm going to wait. So maybe tomorrow. So if that's it, thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.